Is it too late to buy Bitcoin? A friend asks you, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? What do you say? Please watch this whole video or risk missing out on life-changing money. Send this video to one friend who's interested in Bitcoin but needs that final push. Cryptocurrency is seeing some amazing metrics. Let me show you what's going on under the hood in crypto. Buckle up, crypto fam. The M2 of crypto, stablecoins, is experiencing a liquidity surge. Stablecoin supplies are increasing rapidly. This is no ordinary market rally. This is a comeback of confidence driven by a massive influx of new money entering the cryptocurrency space. Don't get left behind. Follow along, smash the like button. Let's get this information out there to as many people as possible. There is more upside ahead. Let me tell you why. So Bitcoin is over 50K and the average Joe does not give a crap. Understand that retail is not even back yet, and Bitcoin is still pushing towards all-time highs. And truth be told, historically speaking, retail doesn't usually come back until Bitcoin breaks over all-time highs.
Bitcoin at a new record high today, above 20,000 once again, and it looks like we're around the highs of the session. There has been renewed attention on the cryptocurrency this year after the crash that we saw a couple of years ago, where it got almost to 20,000. So it has regained those levels. A lot of celebration in crypto land and on crypto Twitter, as I have seen today.
This run is being fueled by institutional money. YouTube views, a strong retail indicator, are actually lower than they were in 2022, bear market. Hey, speak for yourself, Miles. No, I like Miles. I mean, our YouTube views are higher than 2022, but still, YouTube views aren't that high relative to the bull market, so retail is not back yet. Imagine what happens when they return. And actually, early Bitcoiner Adam Back, some people speculate that Adam is Satoshi, he says it's not even institutions yet. I think this is just the next 9% of Americans who own the 30 trillion of stocks and bonds, allocating just 0.01% so far. I think institutions are slowly dipping their toes in now that the ETFs have been approved, but we're only about a month and a half out from the ETFs finally being available. So there's still plenty of time to go for institutions to get in. I would think a lot of institutions and people in general are trying to buy that much more Bitcoin before the halving when supply flow gets cut in half, and it's just going to be that much harder to get your hands on some Bitcoin. And this is what we're seeing. The last 3 days of ETF coin scoopage has been unfathomably bullish. All models are being destroyed. New issuers have been absolutely hoovering up these coins. I mean, for instance, BlackRock now owns over 100 Bitcoins worth $5.7 billion for their spot ETF. Head of research over at CoinShares says US spot Bitcoin ETFs have just hit net inflows of $4 billion. Yesterday was the largest net inflows of $651 million since the launch day on the 11th of January. Understand what's happening. Supply is drastically decreasing, demand is drastically increasing. It's just amazing. BlackRock has raised $5 billion on their spot Bitcoin ETFs in less than 5 weeks. For context, 80% of Bitcoin in circulation has not moved in the last 6 months. The takeaway, BlackRock has sucked up 2.5% of all tradable Bitcoin in 5 weeks. Wild. Unbelievable chart. Investors are dumping gold for Bitcoin. Since spot Bitcoin ETFs were launched, the gold ETFs in aggregate have seen almost $2 billion in net outflows, while Bitcoin has seen net inflows of almost $4 billion. And the craziest part of this Bitcoin rally to me, writes Will Clemente of Reflexivity Research, is that the futures market isn't even over-leveraged, not even close to peak 2021 levels. All-time highs feel like a stone's throw away. Guys, smash the like button. Let's get this video out there to as many people as possible. It is not too late to invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETFs are taking 10x more Bitcoin off the market than is being minted/mined daily, writes Cameron Winklevoss of Gemini. If these inflows hold through the halving, then Bitcoin ETFs will be taking 20 times more off the market than the daily mint. I like where this is going. Bitcoin has so much higher to go. Listen to the alpha they give on CNBC's ETF Edge. I love this analysis.
I'm anticipating that by the time we get to the end of 2025, we're talking 2 years, we're going to see total inflows of more than $150 billion. We're only at 5 right now.
And what is going to propel? That's a big claim. That's a big number. What's going to propel that?
It really isn't all that big when you do the simple arithmetic. Individual investment advisors, independents, those that are operating their own firms, collectively manage around $8 trillion in assets, and 3/4 of them in every industry survey done by DAC-FP as well as by Bitwise all show that 3/4 of advisors say that they're going to allocate to these ETFs and that their average allocation is going to be about 2.5% of assets. Do the arithmetic. $8 trillion times 77% times 2.5% is $150 billion worth of flows. And that's just independent advisors. It excludes the wirehouses, it excludes the regional broker-dealers, it excludes the institutional investors.
Real quick, my friends, cryptocurrency taxes do not have to be scary. Pay your taxes, and you can get your taxes done in minutes through our partner, CoinLedger. Use our link below to create a free account and get your crypto taxes done. This is the TurboTax of crypto. I've used this. This is completely free to use. You do not pay upfront. You only pay at the end when you want to download your tax report. It's so easy to use. You get your crypto taxes done in minutes. All you do is connect your wallet to CoinLedger. CoinLedger automatically calculates your gains, your losses, your income in your home fiat currency for free. So you track your gains, your losses, your income for free with this software. If you use our link below, you only pay at the end if and when you want to download your tax report. Again, you must use our affiliate link to get all perks. Make sure you use our link below. These guys are like the TurboTax of crypto, but they're also trusted by regular TurboTax in that CoinLedger tax reports can be easily and simply imported into your TurboTax or Tax Act or whatever tax software you use. I've used this service before. CoinLedger Crypto Tax Service works. You will not stress over your crypto taxes if you use this. Make sure that you use our affiliate link below so that you're able to set up a free account with them and try this out for free. You use this service, it takes 5 minutes. You will have such peace of mind when you're done. Crypto taxes are easy with CoinLedger. Let's talk about 5 altcoins I like, 1 or 2 pretty new. And I guess I want to start the conversation. It feels like everybody's just too damn bearish on crypto. How could ETH get over 20K this cycle, you ask? Simple. SBF was selling your deposited ETH on top and the bottom, and now he's in jail. And Ethereum will get an ETF this year, despite coping to the contrary of the haters. The Ethereum ETF could happen this year. If not, I think it's very likely it happens next year. And absolutely no other asset will for years get an ETF. This might be true. It might take a couple years to get Solana or Chainlink ETFs. I feel like most people don't know or refuse to admit or don't see what's really happening behind the scenes. Ethereum L2's to the moon. Total value locked smashes another record, 24.33 billion, an all-time high. Are you guys ready for the ETH bull run yet? Let's get a little lower cap. Why do I like Injective? Another Injective burn is scheduled to happen tomorrow. To date, over 200 million in Injective have been burned. In approximately 13 hours, 6,200 INJ will be added to that amount. Injective 2.0 enables all ecosystem dApps to contribute to the auction. Token burns can be very good for supply and demand dynamics. Polygon's POS just recorded its highest amount of daily active addresses since October 2022. Probably nothing. This is an altcoin. Full disclosure, I just bought Cody, bringing privacy to Ethereum, and they have a version 2.0. Version 2 is a privacy-centric layer 2 on Ethereum, built with a groundbreaking privacy tech that is fast, secure, and can run on any device. There's a few reasons why I wanted to buy the tokens. Cody Network has announced the launch of its 25 million ecosystem growth fund. Cody, a blockchain developer known for operating projects on Cardano and its own network, establishes its new 25 million or 400 million Cody token ecosystem growth fund. And like I said, the fact that they're also introducing the version 2, a privacy-centric Ethereum L2. It's the biggest upgrade of our infrastructure to date. We're building an Ethereum L2 and using new technology that's 10x faster and lighter than ZK solutions. Avalanche, now working with Citibank, now working with the DTCC Depository Trust Clearinghouse. Citi tests private market tokenization on Avalanche. And finally, Chainlink, once known as being like the king of partnerships, something eventually Polygon also became known for, is back, baby, with another big partnership. Spanish telecom giant Telefonica partners with Chainlink for enhanced security. This is a huge Spanish telecom giant. The best time to buy Bitcoin was a year ago. The second best time is today. Bitcoin and crypto have such a bullish future. We cover this on a daily basis on this channel. Subscribe to Altcoin Daily. Join our team.